What is up YouTube, it's Evo channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have topics about Curtis 50 Cent Jackson. Rapper pulled up in Las Vegas last night at the Sugar Factory, but before I show you this footage we have also a very fun topic about rapper 50 Cent is ready to make missing persons report over Cuban Link doing the most. New York rapper 50 Cent has no problem letting the world know he loves his bae Cuban Link so much he would have law enforcement bring her back to him. The hip-hop funny man has shared a jaw-dropping snapshot of his ride or die and playfully showed off her Labor Day weekend bikini goals. 50 hit up his Instagram page with a stunning look at Link. The shot features Cuban Link donning rock-hard abs and matching two-piece swimsuit. So 50 Cent posts, "I would like to make a missing person report if you see her out. Tell her I said get back to the house and make me something to eat. Cuban Link." Before 50 Cent could actually make good on his claim, Link hopped into the comment section to get at him. She also promised to head back his way to presumably clock in those relationship goals. "I was wondering why I was getting so many notifications. Here I come, baby," responds Cuban Link. And now let's check this out, the video of 50 Cent from Sugar Factory. Come on.
What's up, it's your boy 50 Cent. We at the Las Vegas Sugar Factory. It's going down right here. Check me out. Now you know you want to try that. You know you want to try that. All right, well good, guys.
And today we have also another topic, guys. Shortly after confirming he would go head-to-head with Ja Rule this month, Fat Joe was bombarded with questions about his long proposed versus against 50 Cent. Joe Crack previously indicated he was open to the idea, saying the Unit Boss would be his ideal opponent. So why aren't there any plans for the two to step into the ring? Well, according to Fat Joe, 50 Cent simply doesn't want to do it. "Why you all keep asking me about 50 Cent? We gave him the option," the Bronx legend said on Instagram Live. "He didn't want to go against me. He not doing the verses." Fat Joe, who was once in a highly publicized feud with 50 Cent, didn't provide details about the alleged option presented to the power star. However, he made it very clear that 50 Cent's decision wasn't based on fear. So thanks for watching and don't forget about 23 October in honor of legendary Eazy-E, BG Knockout, Bloodline Harmony doing amazing live performance. So stay tuned, guys, subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit website hiphoptv.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.
What up, you guys? Marjay Angel in the building with YTV. If you haven't heard already, we've got an upcoming concert titled Tribute to the Real G's honoring Eazy-E. You guys, we've got the firstborn son of Eazy-E, Little E. We've got protege to Eazy-E, the legendary BG Knockout. We've got two sons of Crazy Bone, Young MTG and Crazy Bone Jr., sons and nephews of the legendary Bizzy Bone. We've got Bloodline Harmony. I'll be hosting and performing myself, and there's so much more. We've got bodyguard to Eazy, Big Animal. He will be a guest speaker. The other guest speakers, oh my goodness, you guys. Check out tickets right here. It will be internationally streamed, so you can watch from anywhere. So stay tuned for more updates. Tribute to the Real G's honoring Eazy.